everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new around here, hi, I'm Mackenzie. Today, as you can tell by the title of this vlog, is our moving day! If you don't know, we are moving to Texas because my fiance Bryce got his little dream job and we have to relocate for it. And we're starting the moving process today. His company actually hired us movers, which thank goodness they did. So they are coming to meet us today to pick up all of our stuff from the storage unit. We sold our house 2 months ago and had to move everything into a storage unit. Have been living with my family, so we are very excited for this move. Today we're just gonna have the movers meet us. I do have a couple of things at my parents' house that we need to pack. We're gonna head to Texas today to stay at his parents' house, and then tomorrow is gonna be the big move-in day and unpacking day, and I'm so excited to take you guys along and show you. So, oh, they're here. The movers are here. The movers are here. So I'll show you guys a little bit of today and catch up with you guys as we do this process, but I'm super excited to take you guys along, so let's go. All right, so this is our storage unit. This is everything that we have from the house. We sold a lot of our furniture, so that's why there's not very much here. These are a lot of our wedding gifts and stuff, clothes down here, but they were like, that's all you have? And we were like, we're gonna buy a lot of new stuff. So they're gonna pack all this away. Okay, so the movers got here at 8:15. It's 8:45 and they have already done so much. They were like, you don't have to stay, go get breakfast, go enjoy the morning, and we'll tell y'all when we're done. So that's what we're doing. I'm so excited. It's so easy. And all of our stuff's gonna fit into that truck right there. So it is a little bit later now. It is almost 11 o'clock. We're gonna go check on the movers and see how everything is going. We did some packing of the stuff we had at my parents' house, just getting that together because we will pack up the cars tonight to leave. So we're gonna go check on them. I feel like they're probably almost done, if not like finishing up, because we did not have a lot of stuff. So we'll go do that and see how everything's going. We made it back to the storage unit. This is all that remains. It's insane. Bryce and I are actually just here to pick up this recliner. We're bringing it to my uncle because we're gonna give it to him because he wants it and we are not gonna use it in the apartment. So here comes Bryce now. Look at him wheeling everything by. So we're gonna pack this up and then let them finish up. Bryce trying to maneuver through here is gonna be so entertaining. So this is all the stuff they've gotten packed in boxes and stuff. All of this stuff is wrapped. Oh, I'm so excited for the move. Oh, there goes Bryce. We are back at my parents' house. It is 3:38 p.m. The movers are completely done. They're already heading to Texas and we're gonna meet them in the morning super early. Like I said, we left some stuff not in the storage unit that we wanted to like bring ourselves. Ignore the mess here, but like this box here has like all of our important documents in it, passports, things like that. I'm just bringing like some of our electronics in here that we had at the house. Honestly, I just got kind of nervous like some of that important stuff would get lost or misplaced, and I just wanted to have it with me and know where it was. Other stuff that we are packing ourselves is like stuff from the bathroom, just because we used it today. The movers are already gone and we didn't want to have to pack that up this morning and not have what we needed for tonight and tomorrow. So we have that. Bryce is over here. He's been working from home in this tiny little space, so he's gonna bring this desk with him. We have a desk already, but he's gonna be using that since he's working from home, so I will take this one. So we gotta move that. The rest of the stuff Bryce keeps saying is mostly my clothes. I disagree with that. I think it's like other things that are very, very highly breakable that I didn't want to risk breaking and having to like go buy a new one and like waste all that stuff. So we have like a couple of our registry items, like our serveware and stuff like that from Crate and Barrel that we are gonna bring ourselves. And then I have a whole basket of like freshly washed laundry that I need to take over too. So I'm actually heading to a dress fitting, and then when I get back, I think Bryce and I are gonna head out and move, which is really crazy because I'm moving from my hometown that I've lived in my whole life for this one. These would do all the hard work, so thank you for that. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my dress fitting now, and then next time I check in with you will probably be as we're moving to Texas. You probably cannot hear over the air because it is 99 degrees in Louisiana. We got the car loaded up. Loading this in the car, we were like, oh my gosh, this is a lot. So we got the essential snack goods here, comforters, like important stuff like I told y'all earlier. And we are heading on the road. We have officially made it to Texas. We are at Bryce's parents' house. They live about 30 minutes from where our apartment is, And I think it makes me feel really good to know that we'll have family close by, especially because I've lived like 15 minutes away from my family my entire life, minus like college and travel nursing. But they're not far either. They're like a 2-hour drive away, and I'm actually seeing them tomorrow, so we will see plenty of my family here and back home multiple times. Actually not home anymore. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, I'm just feeling really excited to move into our apartment tomorrow, show you guys an empty apartment tour and kind of ideas I have for the space. But I think Bryce and I are gonna head in. His mom made dinner and it sounds so good because we were so hungry. And I'll check in with you guys in the morning when we're at the apartment. Good morning, everyone. We are at the apartment now. It is 8:30 a.m. The movers are already here. They beat us here. But I'm gonna take you guys inside. Here is our apartment. Oh, Bryce is excited. So you walk in, this is the living area. Beautiful kitchen. Oh my gosh. Dining room. We have a balcony. I like that I can see the street on this side, but it wraps around over here and you get like the woods. Very nice. Oh my gosh, the kitchen. I love it. I'm so excited. I haven't even opened the fridge ever. Ooh, I can't wait to organize that. Y'all, I am so excited. Look at this pantry. We have a pantry. Like, we did not have a pantry before, so I am stoked about the pantry. So then coming off the kitchen here, you have a bedroom here. This is the smaller bedroom. However, it has the double sink of the master. So it's technically supposed to be the master, but we might use this one as the office. Beautiful, beautiful shower. Like, I love the tile in here. Oh, it's so nice. I am so excited. I am so excited. Okay, so here's the closet. It's huge. All of the closets are massive. I cannot wait to do some organization. Are you so excited? He's so giggly and smiley. We just keep looking around and I keep getting distracted and filming this walkthrough, but this way, so this is the door behind me and we're gonna go this way now, down this hallway. So right here, you have just like a little storage closet. This is gonna be the washer and dryer that came with the apartment, which is a win. And then this is the bedroom we're gonna use as the master. It's just way bigger and we like that it's not on the street. Like you have this view out here, so it's a little less noisy. Master closet, well, our master, we're making it the master. The closet is a little bit bigger, I think. Oh my gosh, look at all that room. And then you do have a bathroom. It will be the bathroom that connects to like everyone, but I think it's okay. Or people can just go through the study, but it's just got one sink, but we don't need much room. But the shower has the same kind of like detailing and stuff. Looks so good. The last thing we have to do is take you out on the balcony. I'm so excited. So this is the balcony. There's a couple of like apartments and stuff on this street, so that's really all the traffic you get. And then the thing I love is this balcony comes all the way around here, wraps around, and we have this view. So we can sit here and just see the woods area, or we can sit here and watch all the cars and people watch. I also think that we're gonna have to decorate this balcony with like Halloween, Christmas decor, because everyone can see it from the street, so it's perfect. Are you so excited?
I'm so pumped. It's so nice.
I know, it's so nice. Like just knowing that it's ours is so nice. Especially living at my parents' house, like it's so much more space than we've had the last 5 weeks, so we're really excited. We're gonna start the moving process, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little apartment tour. It was a little chaotic because I'm so giddy and excited, but at least you got to see it, you know, and you'll see so much more of it in all the vlogs coming up. But let's get to the moving in, unpacking process. I think it's gonna be really fun. A lot of work, but really fun. All right, the hair has gone up. I have moved everything from my car. Bryce has moved everything from his. The only thing left is like our sheets and blankets and stuff, but we're not gonna bring those up until a little bit later. We're gonna wash them before we put them on the bed, test out the new washer and dryer. But I've just been kind of unpacking some kitchen stuff. There is so much stuff and I don't know where it's all gonna go. Like look at where Bryce is. All of this is just like miscellaneous, Halloween, Easter, books. He's got his old football helmet from college. Oh. his graduation cap, which no clue where this is gonna go, but we're gonna figure it out. It's been really fun unboxing all of our registry like stuff that we've gotten for our wedding, because it's the first time we're getting to really like take it out, look at it, use it. So I'm really excited. Just waiting for my family to come. I have no clue what time they're getting here, but they will be coming, and they're bringing like a load that we left at the house because we couldn't fit everything. I think we're just gonna continue to unpack, try to like organize what is gonna go where, and then unpack it in the room it's supposed to go in. Very chaotic moving vlog. Moving is very hectic, and thank goodness we have these movers. They are incredible, and this third floor apartment would have been really, really hard and would have taken us days to do, but they've been so helpful and amazing, so we're really thankful we have them. But I'm gonna tackle all this. Wish me luck. Wait guys, I'm just unpacking this box. These are the very first wedding gift we got, our little glasses, and we packed them up because we had glassware at the house that we were gonna use, and we knew we'd be moving, and I'm finally getting to open them and hold them. They're beautiful. I'm gonna wash them and then find a spot for them somewhere in here. They brought more boxes. It's getting overwhelming, but it's gonna be okay. Little update, I don't know where my tripod is, so you are on my popcorn bowl currently, but the movers are done. It is 11:45 now, and they finished up at like 11:15. So quick. It took them 2.5 hours to move everything up, and it's gonna take me 2 years to unpack everything. But I just started kind of breaking down boxes and making like a trash pile. My parents and Bryce's parents are both coming, and they are very eager and willing to help, so I think that'll be really helpful, just taking the boxes and trash to the recycling or trash bin, whatever one it needs to go to. I've gotten a little bit done over here. I think I'm gonna do a full like kitchen organization video as I try to decide where all this stuff is gonna go, and like organizing the pantry is gonna be really fun too. Like I said earlier, moving is just a lot of work. Like I'm exhausted and hungry and tired, and there's so much more to do. I want to take you guys, you've seen like all the junk that's in the kitchen and the living room. Here's some more of it. Looks great. Bryce is actually doing some work right now, but I'm gonna take you back to our bedroom so you can see there's a lot more. All right, so here's the state of our bedroom. Obviously we have like our mattresses here and our TV, suitcase, all of the boxes, closet boxes. Don't know where this bench is gonna go, but I really do love this view. It's so much quieter in here. I don't know if this is gonna make sense to anybody else, but I think we want this room to be the quiet room, like where we're watching TV, hanging out, like our zen space. And the office, it's not super noisy at all. Like you can't really hear the cars from the street, but it's a lot brighter in there, which I think will be good to keep us awake while we're editing, or Bryce is working from home. And I think this will be good because the sun will not like come in here, but it definitely will in that other bedroom. And that was a problem at our house, is that the sun was always shining and waking us up at like 6 a.m. I think what's kind of like giving me the most stress right now is just figuring out a place for everything. I think I'm gonna go through and like kind of say, this is where I want this is where I want this, before I start unpacking it and have to move it from room to room. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, mom and dad have made it here. They're here visiting, first visit of many. Broke into the Brookies, got the full tour, added a bunch more stuff to the chaos, but you know, it's okay.
That's right, man. Looks good, man.
You like it?
Nice little setup, don't it?
Yeah. Dad and mom are in here. We are putting together the bed frame while Bryce finishes his call, because then after that we're gonna go eat lunch. But I'm glad we have y'all here to do this, because this is gonna be a whole lot of work. So we put together the bed. Now we didn't have this box spring at the old house, but Bryce wanted to try it, and
Look, try to get your leg.
trying to get up there. Try to get up, Dad. Yeah, I don't. It might work for. It might work for Bryce, who's like 6'3", but it does not work for us.
I'm gonna need a step stool.
Like once Bryce gets off the call, we're gonna get him to just veto this, because we all vote down the 20-foot tall bed. You can't even see the headboard. Oh my, look at it, it's just peeking out. All right, hello. It is now almost 5 o'clock. I fell asleep right there in the office floor while Bryce finished his work. I think I just needed a little nap after we ate. We ate at Brahms. So good. It's a place in Texas. Love it. My family left after we ate. They were tired and they needed to get back home before it got too late. But I'm so happy that they got to come and see the apartment and help us like set up and stuff. I think they felt like they were a big part of the move, which I think they really loved. Bryce is here now. He is done with work for the day, so he is helping unpack and stuff. Oh. We found the flashlight. Spotlight on me. We're about to make a Target run, which I think is what I'm most excited about because, I don't know, I just love going to Target. We're not doing groceries today. We're gonna do that tomorrow, and I'll probably put that in the next vlog of just like me organizing the kitchen, getting grocery supplies and stuff like that. But this will be like little home decor things that we need. For example, for our bathroom, we need some little curtain rod hangers because we have our shower curtain but we don't have the hangers, so we gotta get stuff like that. Just things we're finding, writing them down. We will make multiple Target trips, but this is just the first one, and I'm really excited to explore our new Target, which I think is gonna be really fun. But I'll show you guys a little progress we've made. So these are broken down boxes here, trash. We've gotten through a lot of the boxes here. There's so much on the counter, which is gonna be a whole video. A lot of these boxes, like this looks a lot more empty. Moved Bryce's little desk that he was using at my parents' house over here. It's gonna be my editing desk for the meantime until Bryce is done working from home, and then I will move back into the office. But for now, I get a cute little cozy corner over here, and I'm so excited because I got a good view. I can people watch, well, car watch, and edit these videos. I think that's the plan for now. I have no idea how long this video has turned out to be because it has felt very hectic and chaotic for me filming and doing all of this, but hopefully it's coming together, you know? We're gonna go to Target, see a Target haul, and then I'll probably end it there, but let's go to Target. You saw our little Target trip. We're gonna show you guys what we got. We didn't get that much, but it added up. You know, moving is expensive. I think all of this was, it was gonna be like 105, but I had a birthday gift card and 5% off Target Circle, so that racks up. It only ended up being $75. We did a trash can for the guest bathroom, so we got one of those. We needed a shower curtain liner. We got the shower curtain as a gift from our registry, but we did not have the liner. A little bathtub mat, that way I don't slip and fall and hurt myself in the shower, so we got that. These are just some of the Target like shower hooks. All of this stuff is for the shower and bathroom. Bryce, for dinner tonight, wanted some taquitos, so we will make these in the air fryer tonight and eat them. I got some just like shampoo and conditioner. I don't know about you guys, comment down below if you struggle with this. I use like the really fancy, nice, like salon brand shampoo and conditioner, and my hair, like, it stays in my hair for forever and it gets greasy in like a day. So I'm going drugstore, and I just got some Hydrating Glow Pantene, and we're just gonna try it and see if it doesn't do that. And then I got another of these bamboo storage organizers. We have a couple, but we needed one more, and it was only like $8. And that's everything we got. Oh, we got toilet paper too. We just got a 4-pack because we already have a couple, but you know, we're just stocking up. But I think we're gonna be done for right now, video-wise. We're just gonna finish doing some unpacking and stuff, and I feel like I've showed a lot of that. So hope you guys enjoyed the moving vlog. Next moving vlog will be like the kitchen, grocery haul, organization. I think it's gonna be really fun. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. Like this video if you haven't already, if you enjoyed some bit of the chaos. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and just being a part of this exciting time for us. And I can't wait to see you real soon. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh. Bye.